In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Google Drive storage plan. If you've upgraded your storage in the past and no longer need the extra space, or you're just trying to cut down on subscriptions, cancelling is straightforward once you know exactly where to click. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Drive. The easiest way is to go to your web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar, then sign in with the Google account that has the storage plan you want to cancel. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Google account, since storage plans are tied to a specific account. Once Google Drive is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Click on that gear icon and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open a new panel or window with several sections related to your Drive preferences. Inside the settings area, find and click on Upgrade Storage. Even though you're planning to cancel, this is the section where Google shows details about your current storage plan. Clicking Upgrade Storage will take you to a page that lists your current plan, how much space you're using, and the available upgrade options. On that storage page, look for a link or button that says Manage Plan. It's usually located near your current subscription details. Go ahead and click Manage Plan. This will bring you to your account subscription management page where Google lets you change or cancel your storage plan. Here, you should see information about your active Google Drive storage subscription, including the plan size, price, and billing frequency. Somewhere on this page, there will be an option that says Cancel Plan. Click on Cancel Plan to start the cancellation process. After you click Cancel Plan, Google may walk you through a few confirmation screens. These prompts are designed to make sure you really want to cancel and to explain what will happen to your storage afterward. Read each message carefully. You might be asked to confirm that you understand your storage will revert to the free limit at the end of your current billing period and that you could lose the ability to add new files later if you're over that limit. Follow the on-screen prompts, clicking the confirmation buttons when you're ready to proceed. You may need to click through more than one confirmation, and in some cases, you might be asked to select a reason for cancelling. Choose the option that fits you best, or simply pick a general reason if you prefer. Once you've completed the confirmation steps, your plan will be scheduled for cancellation. Your storage will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you'll keep your extra space for the time you've already paid for, and the cancellation will take effect when that period ends. It's a good idea to check how much storage you're using and clean up large or unnecessary files before the billing cycle ends, especially if your content is far above the free limit. That way, when your plan expires, you won't run into issues uploading new files or syncing across devices. And that's it. You've cancelled your Google Drive storage plan by opening Google Drive, going into Settings, heading to Upgrade Storage, managing your plan, and confirming the cancellation.